Here I have TECNO Pova 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record device sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change image quality, you can show tabs, and you can enable Do Not Disturb when recording is on. So to start recording, just tap on this button once. And after that, recording starts immediately. So now it's on. You can also pause it by tapping here, then play it again, and when you're done recording, just tap on the red button, and after that, recording will be saved to the gallery. To photos, to the special screen record section, and here it is. So now it's on. You can also pause it and play it again. So from here you can share, edit or delete your recording, and also perform other actions from this list. And when you're done recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.